students, learners, and friends. You are most welcome to this channel. Today, topic of learning is active passive voice. Active passive voice of verb with transitive. How to change? Let us learn today. Auxiliaries. First line, auxiliaries have been noted there on the whiteboard. Auxiliary is, am, or, was, were, has, have, had, will have, shall have, followed by to infinitive. Okay, to be changed into passive voice, these auxiliaries followed by infinitive to infinitive. In active voice, to be changed into passive voice, the generalization is here, is, am, are, was, were, has, have, had, will have, shall have, followed by to be verb third form. I mean to say infinitive here and to be replaced by to be verb third form. Okay, and auxiliaries will remain the same. It will remain the same. How to change? Let us learn step by step. Teacher is to teach me is auxiliary. To teach infinitive. In Hindi ना यार के लिए. Generally expression in Hindi ना यार के लिए. Teacher is to teach me means teacher मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए ना और के लिए. Teacher is to teach me. Teacher मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए है. Teacher मुझे पढ़ाने के लिए है. So he is here as auxiliary and to teach infinitive. Teacher, that is your subject, and me here object. Me means I to be followed by am. I am, and according to this generalization, to be verb third form. I am to be taught by the teacher. मैं अध्यापक द्वारा पढ़ाए जाने वाला हूँ या मैं अध्यापक द्वारा पढ़ाने जाने के लिए हूँ. To be taught in passive voice. I am to do it. I am to do it. मैं करने के लिए हूँ. इसको करने के लिए हूँ. Object, and this is the subject. I am auxiliary, to do infinitive. I am to do it. It is to be done by me. Okay? You are not to abuse others. आप दूसरों को गाली देने के लिए नहीं हो. To abuse infinitive or auxiliary. Others now object and you here subject. Others are not to be abused by you. She was not to tease you. आपको रिझाने के लिए वह नहीं थी. Was auxiliary. You were not to be teased by her. You were to watch video. आप वीडियो देखने के लिए थे. Subject, object, video object, and you subject, and were auxiliary. Then video was to be watched by you. आपके द्वारा वीडियो देखने के लिए थी. The police has to arrest the thieves. चोरों को पुलिस को अरेस्ट करना पड़ता है. has to, had to, पड़ता है, पड़ता था इत्यादि, पड़ेगा, ये सब आएगा. अभी आप देखिए. The police has to arrest the thieves. पुलिस चोरों को गिरफ्तार करना पड़ता है. Necessity obligation to take place here. The thieves had to be arrested by the police. पुलिस के द्वारा चोरों को पकड़ना पड़ता है. To be arrested. Okay. You have to do homework. आपको homework करना पड़ता है. You subject, homework object, have auxiliary and to do infinitive. तो homework has to be done by you. आपके द्वारा homework करना पड़ता है, होमवर्क को करना पड़ता है आपके द्वारा। राम हैड टू इन्वेड लंका, लंका पर राम को इन्वेड मीन्स आक्रमण, इन्वेड टू इन्वेड आक्रमण करना, चढ़ाई करना, एंड हैड टू ऑक्सिलरी, ओके, लंका, लंका हियर object of the verb invade, had to invade, and Ram here subject. Ram had to invade Lanka. Lanka had to be invaded by Ram. Had to be. Sorry. Lanka had to be invaded by Ram. Had to be invaded. Lanka had to be invaded by Ram. Lanka had to be invaded by Ram. Mother will have to feed us. Mother, subject, us, object, and will have to feed. To feed here infinitive. Okay, we will have auxiliary. Then we shall have to be fed by mother. To be fed. Okay, in passive voice, auxiliary shall have auxiliary. I shall have to care for you. हमें आपका केयर करना पड़ता है, करना पड़ेगा। फॉर यू ऑब्जेक्ट एंड आई सब्जेक्ट शैल हैव ऑक्सिलरी एंड टू केयर फॉर इंफिनिटिव। देन यू विल हैव टू बी केयर्ड फॉर बाय मी। आप मेरे द्वारा आपकी वो देखभाल करनी पड़ती है, करनी पड़ेगी। विल हैव शैल हैव पड़ेगी। हैड पढ़ता था, हैव टू पढ़ता है, हैज टू पढ़ता है। Okay, now some other expression now have been written here on the blackboard. Very particular, very special. Let us learn how to use such kind of, how to structure such kind of sentences other than these sentences written by me here on the board. Okay, it is time to speak the truth. To speak infinitive. It is time to speak the truth. सच बोलने का यह टाइम है, समय है। Okay, to speak infinitive. Okay, the truth here object है। It is time to speak the truth. Okay, it is the time. It is time. Will remain the same. It is time. And for लगाएंगे। For the truth. ट्रुथ हियर ऑब्जेक्ट है ना। इट इज टाइम फॉर द ट्रुथ, ट्रुथ के लिए यह समय है। टू बी स्पोकन, सच बोलने के लिए यह समय है, सच बोलने के लिए, सत्य बोलने के लिए यह समय है। टू बी स्पोकन, ट्रुथ, द ट्रुथ टू बी स्पोकन, फॉर द ट्रुथ टू बी स्पोकन। ओके, इट इज टाइम तो फॉर द ट्रुथ टू बी स्पोकन। दिस इज योर नाउ इन पैसिव वॉइस। Negative structure has been given here. It is no time to tell lies. झूठ बोलने का यह समय नहीं है। It is no time. ऐसे ही एक्सप्रेशन होगा for lies, झूठ के लिए to be told कहा जाना। तो it is no time for lies to be told। there का प्रयोग है it, okay, is here auxiliary and was auxiliary। Again, there is auxiliary, was auxiliary, and then how to change such kind of structure into passive? It was no time to waste. It was no time to waste. बर्बाद करने के लिए, to infinitive के लिए, मैं ना यार के लिए, to infinitive। It was no time to waste. बर्बाद करने के लिए समय नहीं था। तो it was no time to waste means to be wasted, passive voice। Okay, there is no time to lose। कोई समय नहीं है to lose, खोने के लिए समय नहीं है। तो there is no time to be lost, passive। There is a lot of work to do. To do infinitive here. Okay. There is a lot of work. Lot of work. there is a lot of work, remains the same. Okay, to be done, passive voice, to do infinitive, and then to be done passive voice of infinitive. There was nothing to weep for, रोने के लिए कुछ नहीं था. Okay, to weep for, to be infinitive. There was nothing to be wept for, passive voice. Now here the next expression, that is, women like men to flatter them. महिलाएं पुरुषों को उनकी बड़ाई करने के पसंद करती हैं. ये प्रेजेंट इंफिनिट टेंस में है, लेकिन चूंकि यहाँ इन्फिनिटिव है, ये प्रेजेंट इंफिनिट टेंस का है, ये थोड़ा पर्टिकुलर हमने हट के लिख दिया है. राइट, women like men to flatter them, महिलाएं. तो women like क्या पसंद करती हैं? women like to be flattered, प्रशंसा किया जाना. ओके, बाय द men के द्वारा, पुरुषों के द्वारा महिलाएं अपनी बड़ाई पसंद करती हैं. And to be flattered, passive voice. Now, dear children, dear students, now it is now time for you to use structure more and more sentences on this pattern. Okay, sentences in active voice, verb having to infinitive, to be changed into, we are changing into passive voice using this on the basis of this pattern. Okay dear, wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Thanks a lot.